visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So let's check dito kung anong nangyayari sa buhay-buhay, no? Sa ating paligid, and I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, alright? So I also want you to know na please believe in the divine timing kasi po ay whenever you find this video, no, the message is also meant to find you. With the temperance, so ang nakikita natin dito, bakit parang certain tayo? Temperance supposedly, no, na we're kind of testing the waters. Pero since meron ditong as we know, the first card dito sa gagawin nating pattern, no, is more of merong issues agad. And that is because of the justice, dahil masyado tayo nagtitiwala dito sa tao. So, parang nasa puso, isip natin, meron tayong judgment agad dito kay person na trustworthy naman siya, no? So, bakit hindi? Bakit hindi ko bigyan ng pagkakataon, no? Mukha naman siyang mabait, no? Mukha naman siyang dissenting tao, and nakuha niya na yung tiwala ko. So, okay, nandito tayo. Wala tayong walls dito sa taong to. So, that means this person can go in and out, no? Kahit sa bahay natin, sa buhay natin. Not really mag-separate, ha. I mean, buong-buo yung ating tiwala sa kanya. So, in our heart space, because the Ace of Pentacles, nakikita na natin somewhat yung future natin sa kanya. Nakikita na natin with the Ace of Pentacles na ito rin siguro yung tao makakasama ko pang habang buhay. So, we already have that assumption, no? We already have that idea wherein siguro meron din itong nararamdaman sa akin or totoong mahal din niya ako, no? With the Two of Wands. So, ang nakikita natin dito, ang bilis ng pangyayari, ha? It felt like itong person mo is kaano lang eh. Parang, kung meron man kayong mga discussions, mga challenges, parang sandali lang yung gap ng pag-aaway and then mag-aayos agad, or gap ng misunderstanding, no? Maayos nyo agad. So, maganda naman ang inyong pagsasama dito. Wala naman tayong problema doon. Kaya siguro ganun na lang di tayo kakampante, no, dito sa taong ito. So, maganda naman. Wala tayong nakikita pangit na cards, ha? With the Knight of Pentacles, and we're not wishing, di ba? Knight of Pentacles. So, yeah, I think that the Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles, no, they are actually aligned. Bibihira itong mangyari dahil ang isip at puso lagi magkalaban yan. Pero ang now, medyo bati sila at sinasabi, oo, no, sabi ni puso, sige na, no, pagkatiwalaan mo tong taong to. Naniniwala naman ako sa iyo. Nax, may ganun itong ating isip naman, no? Sabi, oo, sige, naniniwala ako. So parang meron ding conclusion mismo si isip natin, parang may dalawang tao. Ah, Naniniwala din itong isip natin na ah, yung conclusion niya is wala namang pinakitang ganon na dapat um, ilayo yung sarili, no? Wag bigyan ng chance, wag bigyan ng um, pagkakataon na ah, ilapit yung sarili niya sa'yo or ilapit mo yung sarili mo sa kanya. The Three of Wands. So, bakit parang pinag-antay ka naman nito? So, eto na. Anong nangyari? Binigyan mo siya ng trust dahil nakahuli niya ang kiliti mo. Ngayon, parang naging complacent, no? Either ikaw or siya, parang hindi na tumakbo itong relationship. Nahang kayo ng ganon. So, pag meron kasing naghang na ganon, I'm already satisfied, no? Ayoko nang dagdagan pa, baka masira. Ayoko nang bawasan, baka masira, no? Kumbaga sa luto, no, nasa tamang timpla na. Ayoko nang, baka mapurnada pa, no? Okay na 'yan. Sabi nga ni Mami Grace, 'di ba? Okay na 'yan. Yun nga lang, sa isang relasyon, hindi pwedeng okay na 'yan. Dahil kailangan natin ng commitment, no? Kailangan natin ng security. Yung okay na 'yan is settling for what is less. Kasi okay na yan, which means that you can still improve more. However, you settled for less. I mean, that's settling for less. Kaya nga sinabi mo dito, sandali, pinag-aantay mo ba ako? Ayan na. Lumabas na yung question, ikaw ngayon ito ngayon. Medyo naiinis, naaasar, dahil nga dumating na dun sa part na medyo makahabaan na rin itong ganitong situation natin. So parang ang bilis ng pangyayari, no? Nung naging kayo, or mabilis yung pangyayari na nagkapalagayan kayo ng loob. And you're hoping for this connection to go a little deeper, putting the connection into another level of commitment. However, na-stuck tayo. No, parang we are in a journey, tapos na-stranded tayo sa gitna. Parang gustong-gusto nating pumunta na, ayun na yung destination no? I can almost see it, feel it, taste it, touch it. Hindi ko lang magawa. Hindi ko lang, parang hologram, no? Hindi ko siya mahawakan. Gusto kong hawakan. Gusto ko may pinanghahawakan. Baka hawakan mo na, no? With the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Wands, and the Three. So, you're consulting. You're consulting your friends. That's probably you're here watching tarot reading. You're consulting the tarot, no? What's going to happen in this relationship? What's going to happen in your relationship with this person? Talaga ba? Kasi parang dadating dito na sinabi ng universe is mag-antay ka pa. And parang itetest ni universe yung pasensya mo. Wow ha, may ihahaba pa pala tong pasensyang to ha. With the Wheel of Fortune, this is what you wanted, na sana mabigay na agad yung sagot doon sa iyong mga tanong. Sana wala ka nang tatanong pa, no? Kung saan papunta itong relationship na ito. May plano ka ba sa relationship na ito? Let's check the foreseeable outcome. The Seven of Cups clarified with the Five of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. So, I think the reason being why you are in this situation is you might be in a third-party situation. Pwedeng ikaw si third party or ikaw yung original. One thing's for sure, kung sino man yung nanonood sa akin ngayon, I don't judge, no? I'm not here to judge. I'm here to read. And I am not a judge. I'm a reader. So, ang nakikita natin dito, options will be gone. So, I don't care kung ikaw si third party. I don't care kung ikaw si um, original, no? Kung sino yung nanonood sa akin, ikaw yung pipiliin, nakikita natin dito. Kasi the third party will be removed. I mean, the options will be removed. With the five of wands, kasi this is a competition eh. And you're gonna win the competition with the nine of pentacles. So whoever you're competing with, I feel like you are the winner in this. You got a winner, baby. So this is your reading. Kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate dito sa reading na ito, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron kayo mga personal questions, no? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So this is your reading again. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Leo, Gemini. I am seeing Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Cancer. I am seeing Aquarius, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Libra is here. Sagittarius, yep. Aries, Leo, yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.